Are you looking for a dish that's low in carbs but high in flavors? Look no further. With this easy-to-prepare keto meatloaf recipe, you can now enjoy the rich taste of a perfectly seasoned ground beef, mixed with savory herbs and spices, and topped with a luscious glaze. And the best part? This concoction only has 2 net carbs per serving. Whether you're new to the ketogenic diet or a pro, this wholesome and delicious keto meatloaf recipe will leave you craving for more. As you should always do, begin by setting your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then line up your baking tray with aluminum foil so it's easier to clean up afterwards. Now onto the egg mixture. Whisk together the egg, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme in a large bowl until they are thoroughly blended. Then, in a separate bowl, combine the ground beef, almond flour, and Parmesan cheese. Add in the egg mixture into the bowl and gently stir the whole preparation until you see that all of the ingredients are evenly blended together. Carefully shape the mixture into a shaped mold like the one you see here in this video, then place it on the baking sheet. Freely brush some ketchup on it for a beautiful finishing touch. Bake the meatloaf between 50 to 60 minutes. It's a lot of meat, so it needs a lot of baking. But don't worry, the result will absolutely blow your mind. Allow the meat to rest for 15 minutes. This will help the flavors seal inside the meatloaf. Now, no more waiting is needed. It's serving time.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.